I have been seeing this look all over my TikTok For You page and I've been drawn to recreate the look. Now, what better way to come back to YouTube than doing my regular makeup tutorial? Guys, today I'm going to be recreating the Amaya Colon makeup tutorial that has been buzzing all over makeup social media. Guys, this makeup look is so bomb. I love it. The girl is so pretty and everything is just on point, and I saw it and I knew immediately that I needed to recreate the makeup look. Guys, I've been gone for a while. Let's just act like I've not. Let's not even talk about it. But first of all, happy new year to all of you. You're my faves. And if you want to see how I created this look and murdered it and devoured it, then keep on watching. Wait, I've been doing all those intro. You don't even know who I am. If this is your first time, okay, hi, my name is Mathilda and welcome to my channel. This is my first video of the year, and guys, I am so sorry for leaving you guys in the dark. Should I do like a life update? I don't think you guys care about a life update, but now I'm trying to be consistent because the love I've been receiving, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just go on to the tutorial. So guys, I'm going to start out with my brows. So I already applied a little bit of foundation on my forehead. I like doing that because after I apply my brows, I don't want to start thinking about putting foundation at the top of my forehead and making sure the foundation doesn't smear on my brows. So I like doing my foundation before my brows on my forehead only. That's like a little tip and trick for you guys to start out here. So I'll be using my eyebrow pencil, and guys, I can't even begin to tell you how glad I am that dark brows are coming back. Because like if you've been following my channel for the longest, you know that I've always been a dark brow girl. I feel like if you're gonna do makeup, you better do the makeup to the fullest. Like doing brows that are really light just feels like you didn't even draw your brows on at all. Never really been a fan of it for myself. I like that dark brow look a lot. Maybe in the future I might evolve and just feel like, oh my god, this dark brow look is tacky. But for now, I am a dark brow girly. Not black like charcoal black, but it should be darker. I should know that you have brows on because I feel like that's the point of it all. But what do you guys think in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section. Are you a dark brow girly, or are you a light brow girly, or are you a no brow girly? Which one are you? Let me know in the comments. I really need to shave my brows because when I shave my brows look the best. Because right now, I don't like what it's giving. I'm going to go straight on to my foundation and come back to the eyes later. I've done my concealer, and you guys, if you don't know how to draw your brows, I already have a brow tutorial. Check it out up here. It can't pop up. So I'm just applying a little bit of foundation on my face. The last tutorial I saw of Amaya Colon, I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right. The last tutorial I saw of her, the person I'm trying to recreate her makeup, she didn't add foundation, but me, I love a good foundation. So I'm gonna be adding foundation to the look before we start on with the base, which is like the star of the show. This is a song they always play when they're talking about this makeup. Tell me, what is it you see for me? What is it you think for me? You need to me. Guys, don't laugh at me. It's a new year. Don't laugh at my horrible voice. Everybody will be fine. See why it's good to apply your foundation on your forehead even though you want to do your brows before your makeup? Because now if I didn't apply foundation, I would have been thinking about how to like apply the foundation around my forehead without it interrupting my brows and all of that. But this hack that I gave you guys earlier, it's just going to save your life every single time. When it comes to this look, guys, this is not the look for you to be minimal with your makeup or use small amounts of makeup, because you're not going to achieve that look. I've been seeing the discourse that have been going around all over makeup social media, makeup TikTok, where people are talking about how they cannot recreate UCHE NATORI's makeup, which by the way I have done like 2 years ago. So just check it out right here. See how I devoured the look. So people are talking about how they can't recreate UCHE NATORI's makeup, but the reason why you're not able to recreate it is because because you're managing your makeup, you're trying to use less product, and you're not going to get that result. Because if you want that matte beat down makeup look, you need to apply your makeup. You need to apply a substantial amount of makeup on your face, because it looks like there's no makeup, but that is the point of it all. So don't be scared to apply makeup. So I will not be scared to apply concealer for this look. Moving on to contour. So the makeup look is not looking really like, the contour is not so obvious. It's more about the blush. You can see that her face is well chiseled and structured, although the actual contour is not showing. So we're just going to be adding a little bit of contour. The star of the show, which is blush. You know, I have always been a blush fanatic, so that is one of the things that drew me to this look, the blush. I always use everything as an excuse to use blush, and this look is a perfect look for me because I'm a blush girl. Like, don't play with me with blush. I'm going to be using my liquid blush from Pixie Beauty to achieve this. I'm using a lot of blush today. Nobody should complain, because that's what the look calls for. And the blush like goes up her face. Alrighty guys, it's time to blend. We're starting out with the contour. I'm going to be using translucent powder, which is the Mera Cosmetics powder in the shade Ginger. And I'm using that to set my face. I'll be adding a little bit of powder contour to mattify the liquid contour I applied earlier, just so everything will just blend seamlessly. Now my face is matte as F. I'm gonna go back to my eyeshadow because I've neglected it to focus on the face, but the eyes also tie in to make the look what it is and why everyone seems to love it so much. Although the eyeshadow looks brownish, I can see a little bit of pink undertone to it. So before we start adding the browns, I'll be using some pink, and for that I'll be mixing the shade Gunu and the shade Esther from the Lydia Stanley palette. I'll be using a fluffy brush to first of all tap all over, because this eyeshadow is quite pigmented and I don't want the pink to kind of overpower the whole look. I've applied the pink. Now I'm just going to blend it out with very light hands. Next up, I'm gonna go into some browns, which is the brown umber and isoken mixed together, and just use that to sweep all over my eyelids. No, just the crease. So before then, I just realized that he has a very light under eye, and that's what we're gonna do. I'll be baking, like real baking. Now we can proceed back to the eyeshadow, because I looked at the makeup look and I saw how snatched she was, and I had to achieve that snatched look. Emphasis on snatched, because I looked at the picture, I'm like, girl, this girl is beautiful. I think I put too much pink on the eyes, and I don't know what to do. I think we just have to roll with it and manage it, because you know, it can't really be perfect. I don't know exactly what shade she used, but we're just gonna roll with it. We're done with the crease and everything in between. I'll be going with a light shade on my lid, and I'll be using the shade Milky Way from the Lydia Stanley palette, and I'll just use my fingers to apply it because it doesn't look well defined on hers. So I think she didn't cut her crease, so just do that. I went on to apply my lashes, and I love this look. I am obsessed with this look. I'm feeling myself like, girl, you ate that. Scrum did a yum purr. Guys, this look is amazing. It's looking good. It's coming together. I love it so much. Now we use an orange type of blush before, which was a liquid, the stick blush. Because the look is really pinky, like baby pink kind of color. We need to find a baby pink color to use for the blush to tie everything together. I'm gonna be using this color as our blush to get that blushy look. I hope I don't ruin this look that I have worked so freaking hard for. Guys, wish me luck, wish me luck. I'm going to be applying the blush. I'm going to apply it with a snatch type of application, so it's going to lift my face up and just give it that vibe that's just going to make this look perfecto. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love it. Can you see where I'm going? I'm going from here down. Okay, I won't be dusting off the powder away from my face. I'm just going to press it in so that I would retain that bright under eye. Her lips look pretty defined and has a pinkish undertone, just like the entire makeup. So I'm just going to be defining my lips and maybe overlining it a bit. Just gonna add a little bit of new lipstick to complete it all. Gloss. This is the completed look. I love it. What do you guys think about this look? Would you be recreating the Amaya Colon makeup look? This look is so easy to do, and I love the fact that it's so simple and it looks classy and everything is just on point, guys. I tried to recreate as much as possible, even down to the hair. You know, I just wanted to give you guys the full experience, and you guys should rate my look from a 1 to a 10. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Was it a hit or a miss? Did I bop or did I flop? So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any video ideas, please leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to recreate any other person's makeup tutorial, or you want me to follow their makeup tutorial, anything in between, just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch the ads, okay? If you want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. Hey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.